Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to take information from the internet to a text file. So the internet, it is the vast network. It will connect all the computers all over the world, and using the internet people can share the information and they can also get the information. To learn in more details, you can come back here later. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now I'm going to open the Microsoft Edge. Now I will open the Wikipedia. Then I will click over here on the Wikipedia. Now let's say I'm going to search about the Microsoft. Now I'm going to copy from here to this portion. I can copy it manually, like right click on it and copy, and also use this shortcut, that is the Ctrl C. So I'm going to copy it. Now I'm going to minimize it and I'm going to create a new text document. I will call it the Microsoft and hit enter. Now all I have to do is open the text file. Now I can just simply paste it. Now I have copied the information from the internet and pasted it on a text file. So if I want to save this, I can just use the computer shortcut, like the keyboard shortcut, that is the Ctrl S. Now if I even cross it, I can open it again, the information is still here. So this is how you can copy the information from the internet and paste to a text file. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video we have covered how to take information from the internet to a text file. Thank you for watching.